As part of their modern, evolving product suite, Razor International proudly presents the Electronic Power Lift. This short demonstration will take you through the safest, most trouble-free way to separate and connect the semi-trailer and your prime mover, allowing you, the operator, to lighten your load. For safety reasons, the Razor Power Unit cannot be initiated unless the trailer brakes are engaged. To enable the unit, press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds. The red activation light will flash twice, indicating that the unit is now enabled. If you press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds and the red light flashes 4 times, this means the trailer brakes are not engaged. The Razor safety mechanism is in force and the unit will not activate until the trailer brakes are engaged. Once you have engaged the trailer brakes, you must activate the Razor Power Lift. Press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds. The activation light will flash twice, indicating that the unit is now enabled. Now press the green lowering button, and the legs will automatically lower. The legs here are lowering in high leg gear and will go to ground in 30 to 60 seconds. While the unit is running, you are now free to open the turntable jaw, as well as decouple the airlines and trailer electrics. When the legs reach the ground, the unit will automatically stop. In some cases, this may be all that is required before decoupling the trailer from the prime mover. However, if the legs need to take more weight, it's now time to change the gearing to low leg gear. The first step is to deload the gear train. Simply press the blue raising button and let the Razor run for 1 or 2 seconds. Then press the stop button. Grasp the unit and firmly slide it until it locks into position. If the unit does not slide fully, the gearing in the legs hasn't aligned correctly. In this case, carry out the process again. When in place, you're now ready to lift the trailer in low leg gear. Press the green timer button once to lower the legs for a duration of 20 seconds. You can increase the run time by pressing the button multiple times. 3 presses of the button, or a total of 60 seconds, is equivalent to manually winding the legs for 30 turns in low leg gear. The legs will automatically stop once they reach the end of their travel time. For safety and convenience, on the opposite side of your trailer, you can control the power lift using the remote keypad. Remember, the legs can be stopped at any time by pressing the stop button. Once the correct trailer height is achieved and the Razor has stopped running, it's safe to move your prime mover away. In the recoupling procedure, back the prime mover under the skid plate. To activate the power lift unit, press and hold the stop button for 3 seconds. The red activation light will flash twice, indicating that the unit is now enabled. When a load is already on the landing legs, the unit initially needs to be raised in low leg gear until the weight is off the legs. Press the blue raising button and allow the legs to automatically hoist themselves off the ground. While the legs are rising in low leg gear, you're free to recouple the airlines and electrics. To be sure the load is off the legs, you can check for movement with your foot. Once the load is off the legs, press the stop button. The gearing can now be changed to high leg gear. Use the unit as a grab handle and pull the unit towards you until it slides into position. You're now in high leg gear. Press the blue raising button again, which will bring the legs up fully. The legs will automatically stop when they're fully raised. The trailer is now prepared for transport, allowing you to haul your next load of freight. A 12-volt fully sealed lead-acid battery is supplied with the electronic power lift. The flashing amber light is a low battery voltage warning. If it continues to flash after the unit stops, the battery will require some charge. A green light will flash on the right-hand side of the unit to indicate that the battery is charging. When the green light stops flashing, the battery is fully charged. The unit is also supplied with a manual override handle stored in the battery enclosure. This can be used as a backup function if the unit fails to operate for any reason. Refer to the owner's manual supplied with the unit to guide you through the operation and safety features. And be sure to check out other product suite demonstrations to learn how to lighten your load with Razor.